Plenty of capable English speakers get stuck at band 6 and cannot work out why. It is usually not their English, it is a handful of habits. This video covers 7 of them and how to fix each one. Rehearsed speaking and template essays are easy for examiners to spot, and both are penalized. Memorized language is rigid. The test rewards flexible language used naturally for the actual question. In writing, a strong essay that does not fully answer the question still fails on task response. Address every part of the prompt. A brilliant essay on the wrong question is a band 5. Comfortable, untimed practice builds false confidence. The real test is a race. If you have never practiced under exact exam timing, test day is the first time you feel it, and it shows in your score. Long words used wrongly hurt more than simple words used well. Examiners reward precise, natural vocabulary. A misused rare word signals weakness. A well-placed common word signals control. Under the word count loses marks directly. Far over, it wastes time and adds errors. Learn what 150 and 250 words look like in your own handwriting, so you hit the count without counting. Examiners read and listen fast. If your essay or your speaking has no visible structure, no clear paragraphs, no signposting, your coherence score falls even when the ideas are good. Strong English with weak exam technique scores below your real level. The format is fixed and knowable. Knowing exactly what each section asks is free marks that many people leave on the table. Stop memorizing, answer the actual question, and always practice with a timer. Use precise vocabulary, hit the word count, structure everything, and learn the format. Next video: how to show vocabulary range without memorizing word lists.